Fragile glass ass production. Drop the real one, you dumbass.
Hey, it's me. Stoner here. It's the morning. I'm tired. But yesterday, I was hanging out with some friends and I let one of them borrow my pipe. So I have to roll a joint with my zigzags. These are 1 1/4 zigzags. So I'm gonna roll a joint, and then I'm gonna smoke it, and I'm gonna talk. Just made the filter. Works pretty good. Some people don't use filters. I use filters because it's easier, and that way you know you didn't leave any stuff behind. Because if you don't, then it gets like right up to the tip, and then you gotta use a roach clip. That's what this is. So you can go. I'm gonna use my chemistry book. Fuck school. I'm gonna use my chemistry book to like cut up my bud. Alright, so let's do this. You wanna watch a little bit? I'll show you a little bit. But it's gonna take me a while because I'm not the best at rolling joints, but I can roll them.
Okay. Oh, very nice. Legal. Legal. Smells good. Legal. I'm only making a small one for me. Legal. Now legal. It's all grounded up. I'm ready to get in my zigzags.
Okay, I finished. Drum roll. I know I do a drum roll. Ta-da, so sexy. I packed it real tight, yo. I think I'm only gonna smoke half of it, cause I'm kinda low on bud, if you didn't notice. But look at it. Oh, so sexy. Alright, let's get smoking. Just gonna cut that little thing off. Cut a little bit more. Just to, like, get down to it. Oh, there you are. Smells good. Remember your magic sticks. Don't want to get caught here. Oh, that was all paper. Oh, that was gross. Oh, yeah. You haven't noticed I'm wearing my Sublime shirt? So what better song to listen to with the joint than a Sublime song?
A single room with 3 other individuals. One of them was a male and the other 2, well, the other 2 were females. God only knows what they were up to in there. And furthermore, Susan, I wouldn't be the least bit surprised to learn that all 4 of them habitually smoked marijuana cigarettes. Reefers.
Damn, I forgot how smoky this thing is. I'm gonna end up hotboxing my closet. Turn that down a little bit, damn. Fucking A. I think I'm gonna die. See all the smoke this is getting? It's kind of bad. Maybe I shouldn't have done this. Good thing my parents aren't home. So, what should we talk about? Fucking A. I'm gonna die. I know it. Fuck though, yeah, I'm only smoking half of this. This shit is harsh. My sister spotted me off with some hard work. I messed up. Take care of your head. fuck the magic stick. Huh. Roxanne. Tonight. Where am I? Whatever my sister got us last night, it's good stuff. I'm smoking right now. It's legal. 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 It's all legal here. That's another good song. We're only gonna die of our own arrogance, so that's why we might as well take our time. Oh damn, it went out. Shit, there's ashes everywhere. How long has it been? Tell me. Look at that bar down there. How long has it been? Like 3 minutes? I don't know. What the fuck? God, yo. I should put this out, yo. I'm stoned. I can't even think right now. I was gonna talk about stuff. That's why I have to make a list, damn it. Oh my god. Fucking A. Holy shit. Where am I? I'm still recording. I bet it's been like 5 minutes and I don't even know it. Yeah. I'm gonna listen to more Sublime. Put this out, because I am done. I swear to you. Here, I'll put it out now, but I have nothing to put it out on. Wait, I got this box. I'm putting this out. Fuck, man. That shit is crazy. See, it's out. Peace, yo. I'm too stoned to fucking do this video. Not even kidding you. But I'm still doing it, so that's why it's weird. Okay, peace.